Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting new content. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Oxford Fabric Men Business Portable Storage Bag and Toiletries Organizer. Trust me, this is a game changer for anyone who loves to stay organized while on the go. Whether you're a business professional or a travel enthusiast, this bag is going to revolutionize the way you pack and manage your toiletries. Any of the standout features of this bag is its durable and waterproof Oxford fabric construction. That means you can take it with you anywhere and never have to worry about your items getting wet or damaged. It's a peace of mind that you just can't put a price on. The design of the bag is not just practical, but also stylish. It's compact and sleek, but still offers plenty of storage space. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit inside this little gem. And with the built-in hanging hook, you'll have easy access to all of your essentials without rummaging through your luggage. So, if you're someone who values organization and efficiency, or know someone who could benefit from a reliable travel pouch, I highly recommend checking out the Oxford Fabric Men Business Portable Storage Bag. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to make your life a whole lot easier. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.